Hello everybody, Conti here with another video. How to add a slow motion effect to a video clip in DaVinci Resolve 16.2.2. Inside my edits window, I will add a slow motion effect 3 seconds into the video clip that I currently have on video track 1 on my project timeline. With the red playhead positioned at the start of my media clip, I'm going to shift this further along my video clip to the point where I want the slow motion effect to start from. Hold in K and press L to move the red playhead forward. Tapping L will move the red playhead forward by 1 frame. Holding in K and pressing J will move the red playhead back to an earlier stage of your video clip. With your red playhead in place, select the blade edit mode, which can also be done by pressing B. Left-click on the red line directly below the red playhead to create a split in your clip. Right-click on the edits that will contain the zoom effect and go to Change Clip Speed. I am going to reduce the speed of this clip to 20%. Ensure that you do not go lower than 0%, otherwise your video clip will be played in reverse. Click Change. Ensure that this media clip is still selected, which can also be done by pressing A for the selection mode. Go to Inspector, double-click to open Retime and Scaling. Change Retime Process to Optical Flow. And change Motion Estimation to Enhanced Better. These particular settings should ensure that there is no stuttering of your video as it plays in slow motion. Returning to the timeline, using the red playhead, locate the point on your video where you wish for the slow motion effect to cease. I will have the slow motion in this particular video stop after 4 seconds, so at the 7-second mark. Select Blade Edit mode, and left-click on the red line to make a trim. Press A for selection mode. Right-click on your final edits of the video clip after your slow motion, and go to Change Clip Speed. Change the speed to 100 so that the rest of your video plays with the default velocity setting. Click Change. If I zoom out of the timeline slightly, if I drag my red playhead to the end of the video clip, I can see that the final part of my video is not showing. Therefore, I'm going to left-click on the end of the final edit on my timeline. The empty section of the white rectangle which appears on the timeline represents the missing segment of the video. If I drag my mouse cursor across, the rest of my video clip now appears in my project. With this final edit selected, go to Inspector, under Real-Time and Scaling, change Real-Time Process to Project Settings. The final edit will not require the enhanced setting because it will be playing at the default speed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.